Hi, and welcome back to Musicians Edition. This is Aural Skills again. So today we're going to figure out what kind of scale we're listening to. Are you ready? Let's go! Okay, so in our previous music theory lesson, we went over the major scale, the minor scale, and the chromatic scale. If you haven't seen the video, I highly recommend going back and watching it. It's going to make a lot more sense if you've seen it than just trying to jump right in. So please go back, watch music theory all about scales. Okay, but if you have seen it, welcome back. Okay. So here's what we're going to do for the entire duration of the class. We are going to just listen for the scale and determine what kind of scale it is. Now remember, we did the scales going up and we did the scales going downwards. So let's first figure out what the scale is only listening to it going upwards. And just a quick reminder, the major scale sounds happier. So here's an example of what a major scale sounds like. Here is the C major scale. That's just it going up. And then the minor scale has a little bit of a more sad sound. So here is the A minor scale. Sounds a little sadder. And then we have the chromatic scale, which is all made of half steps. So what we're going to do for this exercise, I'm going to play a scale and I'm going to ask you if it's major, minor, or chromatic. I'm only going to play it going upwards for now. All right, you ready? Here is our first one. Is that major, minor, or chromatic? Here it is one more time. Can you figure it out? That one is the minor scale. It sounds a little sad. All right, how about this one? Is that one major, minor, or chromatic? Let's play it again. That one is major. It sounds a little happier. All right, how about this one? That one is chromatic, all half scales. Or half steps, I'm sorry. All right, how about this one? Major or minor or chromatic? Let's listen to it again. That one is major. It sounds a little happier. Let's do some in the higher register. How about this one? Major or minor? Let's do it again. That one is major. It sounds a little happy. How about this one? Major, minor, or chromatic? Take a listen again. That one is chromatic, all made of the half steps. Okay, how about we play some in the mid-range? How about this one? Major, minor, chromatic. Here it is again. That is major. It sounds awfully happy. How about this one? Major, minor, or chromatic. Here it is again. Even though that one's in the higher register, which a lot of times we have a tendency to think of as happier, that was a minor scale. It has the sadder sound. La-ti-do. All right, how about this one? Major, minor, or chromatic? That one is chromatic. Chromatic sounds a lot different than the other two, doesn't it? That helps. All right, let's do one more for it going upwards. How about this one? Is that major or minor? Let's listen to it again. That one is minor. It has a little bit of a sad sound. All right, so for this next exercise, we're still going to determine if it's the major scale, the minor scale, or the chromatic scale. But we're going to listen to this scale descending this time. All right, ready? How about this one? Is that major, minor, or chromatic? Take a listen again. It's a little harder to determine when it's descending, or at least in my opinion. If you feel this was easier, let me know in the comments. That one is major. How about this one? Major, minor, or chromatic? Let's listen again. That one is chromatic. Once again, even going downwards, the chromatic scale really stands out. All right, how about this one? Major or minor or chromatic? Let's take a listen again. That one is major. How about this one? Major, minor, or chromatic? Take a listen again. That one is minor. It sounds a little sadder. It's still, to me, a lot harder to determine when it's going downwards. And really, there is no cheat when it comes to listening to the scales and determining what they are. It's all about just practicing. So, let's do another one, shall we? Major, minor, or chromatic? Take a listen again. That one is minor. How about this one? Major, minor, or chromatic? Take a listen again. That one is major. How about this one? Major, minor, chromatic. Take a listen again. That one is chromatic. How about this one? Major, minor, or chromatic? Take a listen again. That one is minor. How about this one? Major, minor, or chromatic? Take a listen again. That one is major. How about this one? Major, minor, or chromatic? Take a listen one more time. That one is chromatic. Okay, so now we did them ascending and we did them descending. Let's do them both ascending and descending. This one should be, to me, easier than just listening for it going downwards. Okay, how about this one? Major, minor, or chromatic? Let's do it one more time. That one is major. It sounds happy. How about this one? Major, minor, or chromatic? Take a listen again. That one is minor. It has a little bit more of a sad sound. Now, if you remember back to our music theory lesson, we had the songs, right? And if you can just figure out the first three, it really helps. So remember, the first one is like, if it's major, do, re, mi. And if it's minor, la, ti, do. So that's a great way of trying to figure it out. All you have to do is kind of listen for the first three. So let's do one. And let's see if we can use the trick real quick to figure out what it is. So how about this one? Now remember, pay attention a lot to the first three. What do you think it is? Do, re, mi. Do, re, mi. Which one does that go to? That goes to major. How about this one? Do you think that's major or minor? Remember the first three. Do, re, mi. Nope. La, ti, do. Do, re, mi. That's not what it is though. Do, re, mi. La, ti, do. La, ti, do. So that one is minor. La, ti, do. Okay, let's try another one. Major or minor? Do, re, mi. That puts it at major. How about this one? Do, re, mi. So it's not major. La, ti, do. Minor. Do you find that helpful? If you do find it helpful, let me know in the comments. I used this trick a lot when I was in Aural Skills class. I mean, you have to think them out more in your head because, well, there's usually a bunch of other people around you. But if you can do it out loud too, there's no harm in doing that. So it's just, that's the best trick I know of in determining. When it comes to the descending scale, I kind of have to sing it all the way up and then all the way down. That's the only way I know how to do it. So it would be do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Or it would be la, ti, do, re, mi. I just have to think of it up and think of it down. Those were the only tricks I have. They're not big. And then the chromatic scale sounds so unique on its own. I didn't really need a trick for that one. All right, well, I hope you found this helpful. We'll need to keep working on these. If you struggled or had any problems, please let me know. I'm here to help. If everyone's doing great, we won't work on it as much. But if you're struggling with it, we'll keep going over it and have extra practices on it. I know it's kind of hard at first, but it's good that you're getting into it as we learn everything together. It's a lot harder to know the theory behind it and playing it on your instrument, but you can't really identify it by hearing it. It works so much better when you work everything theory, practice, aural skills, just work them in all together. You're gonna get so much further. You're gonna understand it a lot faster. It's great. All right, before I let you go, I want to send a quick reminder to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and the notification button so you don't miss any of our lessons. Thanks for joining me, and until next time,